today's video po ay gagawa tayo ng tutorial on how to edit our videos para sa ating YouTube channel. Kagaya ko po, baguhan lang po ako sa YouTube at hindi po ako masyadong hanas.
Hindi ka alam sa hanas. Bisaya po kasi ako. Sorry.
Hindi po ako wala po talaga akong masyadong alam about editing. But, I've learned and I tried to research some applications. I tried to download some applications that could help me po in editing the video. So anyway, yeah, I've searched a lot of applications for editing videos, and this one that I'm going to use right now is the one that I like the most and the one that I am also using in editing my videos. So let's get started. So first guys, ay kailangan niyo po mag-download ng VLLO sa App Store or sa Play Store. At pagkatapos niyo po ma-download ito, ay kailangan niyo po munang mag-sign in gamit ang inyong Google account or Facebook account. Or pwede po rin kayong mag-sign up. Tapos, after niyo po makapag-sign in, ay i-open niyo lang po yung application and then create video or GIF and then choose video image or GIF. So, sa akin po ngayon ay gagamitin ko lang po itong insert blank scene. Ipapakita ko lang po sa inyo ang mga parameters ng ating application. So, sa akin po, after nyo po pili ng video or pictures na gagamitin, ay mapupunta po kayo dito sa setting. We have here aspect ratio, content mode, and project title. So for project title po, pwede po kayong mag-title dyan, like for example, Allison's vlog, and check. And for aspect ratio, so I'm going to use the 16 by 9 since this is for YouTube po, and then content mode fit. Then after that, create project. So here, itong blank scene po pala ay pwede nyo pong i-adjust ng ganyan. So depende na po sa inyo kung gaano kahaba ang gusto nyo. Ano raw? Yes. So anyway po, by the way, you can also change the background of that blank scene. So in any color, like this. Let's reuse pink since I like pink. And done. And you can also adjust the duration. Yeah, like nang ginawa natin kanina. Pwede pong pahabain yan. Pwede pong gawin nyo na lang. Mas madali po ito pag i-drag nyo kaysa sa mag-select pa kayo dito po. Sobrang time consuming para sa akin. So, pwede nyo lang po i-drag siya. And replace, of course, kung ayaw niyo siya or may namali kayo. So, you can just replace it. And done! So, we have here below audio, sticker, text, PIP, and filter. For audio, it has BGM, background, music. We have sound effect and voice. Let's have background music first. So for background music guys, yes, marami kayo dito mapipilian. We have new, daily, kid and pet, beauty and fashion, entertainment, game, wedding and propose, season, cafe, cinematic, party and club, travel, and vlog. So pagka-open nyo po, may mga free po dito at may mga for premium lang po, like this one with the red padlock. Di po siya magagamit, unfortunately. Kailangan nyo po munang magbayad. Yeah, but let's use the free one. May mga free naman po, so don't you worry. And then, okay, let's choose this one, True Love. Pwede nyo po pala siyang ma-adjust ng ganyan, guys. And then, check. May mute po tayo. May volume, fade, speed, move here, duplicate, replace. For mute po, let's say for example, okay, mag-insert po muna tayo ng video na may audio like this one. So as you can see po, may audio po yan.
Let's get started.
So kung gusto nyo pong i-mute mismo yung audio na nasa video, you can do it po like this. Just click the mute button. So pag na-click nyo po yung mute button, hindi nyo po maririnig yung audio na nasa mismong video. Ang maririnig nyo lang po ay yung background music na ina-add ninyo. Yes. And of course po, pwede nyo rin pong i-adjust yung volume. If it's 100%, depends on you po kung how many percent po ng volume ang gusto niyo. And we have here speed. So, pwedeng bagalan, pwedeng pabilisan. Pwedeng bilisan. And then, we have move here. Yeah, from now until the end. Actually, you can do it manually naman po. Mas easy po sa akin pag ginagawa manually. Mas ma-adjust ko po siya. And then, we have duplicate. Kung gusto nyo pong gamitin ulit yung audio, yeah, you can just duplicate it. We have also replace kung ayaw nyo po. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-change ng audio, yeah, you can also do it. Next po ay sa sound effect naman po tayo. So yes, may mga choices po dito. Pili lang po kayo. So may mga free, may mga hindi. So mga hindi po for free ay yung mga naka-red padlock po. But mostly sa sound effect naman po, yeah, mostly free po sila. Unlike sa background music na ang mga ilan sa kanila ay hindi for free. And we also have here voice. So kung gusto nyo pong mag-voice cover, yes, you can record your voice here. And next we have here sticker. So for sticker, we have motion sticker, subscribe, and bell button. Yeah, you can also insert sound effect there if you want. And next is we also have here frame like this, so nice. And we also have template. Wow, actually there are a lot of choices, guys. Yes. And we have text. So for text, yeah, you can add text. This one, by the way, is pwede nyo po siyang ma-edit. Just double tap and then change the text. Happy. Yeah. And you can also resize it. Yeah, but mas madali lang po dito pag i-drag nyo lang siya. Edit. We have font, style, capacity, animation, effect, arrangement, blending, duplicate, replace. Yeah, you can edit po the text. We have here label. Ito po, mas may design po siya. Just double tap lang po and then change the text. Yes. And we also have caption. Yeah, we also have here some designs. And after that, we have here PIP image. If you want to insert image po, let's say for example this one, yeah, just resize it and adjust the time. You can also insert video like this, or you can also resize it like this. And then we also have GIF, but in my case I don't have GIF here. Yes, but if you have downloaded one, you can insert that one here in your video. And we have here video. Unfortunately, I couldn't have this one since it's in a red padlock. That's not for free, but don't worry because you can insert video naman if you click the image. My choices din naman dito na pwede video ang i-insert. So nothing to worry. We have here filter. So for filter, just choose filter that you like. We have also effect like this. We have a lot of effects here, but some of them are not for free. By the way guys, kung gusto niyo po palang mag-purchase ng application na ito, just click this one, the P with the crown. So we have 45 pesos weekly, we have 99 pesos monthly, 199 pesos annually, or like yearly, and then we have 1,150 for lifetime. Actually, hindi naman po siya ganun kamahal, but I don't have any plans po yet to purchase, but maybe in the future. If you think na po na okay na siya, maganda na siya, and final na siya, you can export it. Just click export, and then by the way po, but before you ma-export yung video, kailangan niyo po munang watch ng ads. But don't worry because ang ads po ay just for 30 seconds lang siya. So it's not that long. And after niyo po maka-watch ng ads, just close the X button, and then ayun, mag-run na po siya, and ready to export na po. And that's it. Hopefully na-enjoy nyo po, at hopefully magagamit niyo po ito at may natutunan po kayo, especially po sa mga new YouTubers dyan. This is really helpful. Thank you so much po, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.